Kids love to be in the kitchen. So today I'm going to share with you some snacks and games that you can play with your kids in the kitchen. Toast the bread and add banana and Nutella. Make a healthy yogurt bowl by adding yogurt, oats, blueberry, banana and almonds. Make your own orange juice with no added sugar. Eat the fiber. Take water, add food coloring. Put that water in the ice cube tray along with your toys. Now let's add some warm water in a tray and rescue our animals. Take rice, add food coloring and mix it with just a teaspoon of water. Dry the rice for a few hours and mix it up. Teach alphabets, numbers. Kids can spend hours doing this activity. If you want to see more kids indoor activities, then click the link below.